Welcome to this lecture video. In this video, I am going to explain problems on optical fibers which comes under module number 3 of engineering physics prescribed by BTU. Let us go to the problems now. The angle of acceptance of an optical fiber kept in air is 30 degrees. Find the angle of acceptance when the fiber is in a medium of refractive index 4 by 3. So here the theta naught value is given as 30 degrees and n0 dash is equal to 4 by 3 or 1.333 and n0 is equal to 1 for air. So what is the value of theta naught dash? So we know that n naught dash sin theta naught dash is equal to n0 sin theta 0. So we can write theta naught dash is equal to sin inverse n0 sin theta naught by n0 dash. So substitute the values here. So sin inverse of 1 into sin 30 degrees by 1.333. So on simplification, the value of theta naught dash is equal to 22.03 degrees. So this is the solution for the given problem. The refractive index of the core and cladding of a step index fiber are 1.45 and 1.40 respectively, and its core diameter is 45 micrometer. Calculate the refractive index change delta and numerical aperture of an optical fiber. Given the refractive index of core is 1.45 and that of cladding is 1.4. Diameter of core is 45 micrometer and n0 is equal to 1, then what is the value of delta and numerical aperture? We know that the fractional index change delta is equal to n1 minus n2 by n1. So n1 is 1.45 and n2 is 1.4. So substitute them here. Then on simplification, the value of delta is equal to 0.0345. And we know that numerical aperture is equal to square root of n1 square minus n2 square by n0. So substitute the values here, that is square root of 1.45 square minus 1.4 whole square by 1. On simplification, the numerical aperture value NA becomes 0.3775. So this is what the solution for the given problem. An optical signal propagating in a fiber retains 85% of input power after traveling a distance of 500 meter in the fiber. Calculate the attenuation coefficient, that is alpha. So here the given data is output power is equal to 85% of input power, that is 0.85 of pi, and length of the optical fiber is 500 meter or 0.5 kilometers. And we know that attenuation coefficient alpha is equal to minus 10 by L logarithm of P out by P in, that is equal to minus 10 by 0.5 into log of 0.85 Pi by Pi. Pi cancels here, then on simplification we will get the value of alpha is equal to 1.412 dB per kilometer. This is the solution for the given problem. The attenuation of light in an optical fiber is 2 dB per kilometer. What fraction of its intensity remains after 2 kilometer and after 5 kilometer? So here the value of alpha is given as 2 dB per kilometer, and P naught by Pi at L is equal to 2 kilometer we have to calculate, and also P naught by Pi at L is equal to 5 kilometer we have to calculate. So we know that P naught by Pi at certain value of L is equal to 10 to the power minus alpha L by 10. So P naught by Pi at L is equal to 2 kilometer is given by substituting 2 kilometer in place of L. So that is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus alpha L by L, alpha into L by 10, that is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 2 by 10. So on simplification, the value becomes 0.3981. Similarly, when we calculate the value at L is equal to 5 kilometer, the value of P naught by Pi is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus alpha L by 10, that is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 into 5 by 10. that is equal to 0.1. So this is what the solution for the given problem. The refractive indices of a core and cladding of a step index optical fiber is found to be 1.45 and 1.40 respectively, and its core diameter is 45 micrometer. Calculate its refractive index change and numerical aperture. That is, fractional refractive index change is denoted by symbol delta, and we have to calculate what is numerical aperture of the optical fiber. So given N1 is equal to 1.45, N2 is equal to 1.4 and D is equal to 45 micrometer. So what is delta and numerical aperture? So delta is calculated as delta is equal to N1 minus N2 by N1, that is equal to 1.45 minus 1.40 by 1.45, that is equal to 0.0345. And numerical aperture can be written as square root of N1 square minus N2 square by N0, that is equal to square root of 1.45 square minus 1.4 whole square by 1. So the value of N becomes 0.3775. Calculate the numerical aperture and angle of acceptance for an optical fiber having refractive index 1.563 and 1.498 for core and cladding respectively. So here the value of N1 is equal to 1.563 and N2 is equal to 1.498 and N0 is equal to 1. So what is the value of numerical aperture and theta naught? So we know that Na is equal to square root of N1 square minus N2 square by N0. So substitute the value of N1 and N2 here, that is nothing but square root of 1.563 whole square minus 1.498 whole square by 1. So on simplification, the value of Na is equal to 0.4461. And cone acceptance angle theta naught is equal to sine inverse numerical aperture, that is nothing but sine inverse of 0.4461. On simplification, theta naught is equal to 26.49 degrees. A glass clad fiber is made with core glass of refractive index 1.5 and cladding is doped to give a fractional index difference of 0.0005. Determine the cladding index and numerical aperture. Here the value of N1 is given as 1.5 and delta is equal to 0.0005 and N0 is equal to 1. So what is the value of N2 and numerical aperture? We know that delta is equal to N1 minus N2 by N1. So N2 is given by N1 minus N1 delta. That is nothing but 1.5 minus 0.0005 into 1.5. So on simplification, the value of N2 is found to be 1.49. So we know that numerical aperture is equal to square root of N1 square minus N2 square by N0. So substitute the value of N1 and N2 here, that is N1 is 1.5 whole square minus 1.499 whole square divided by 1. So we get the value as 0.054. That is the solution for this problem. Consider a slab waveguide made up of aluminum gallium arsenide having refractive index of core clad is 3.6 and 3.55 respectively. Find how many modes can propagate in this waveguide if d is equal to 5 lambda. So here N1 is 3.6, N2 is 3.55, d is 5 lambda. So what is the value of delta, V and N? We know that V is equal to pi d by lambda into N1 square root of N1 square minus N2 square by N0. So substitute the value of d here and also lambda. So we get the value of V is equal to 9.39. Further, the value of N is given by V square by 2, that is nothing but 9.39 whole square by 2. So if we calculate, the value of N becomes 44.1. Okay, that is the number of modes. The refractive index of core and clad are observed to be 1.5 and 1.448 respectively in an optical fiber. Find the numerical aperture and angle of acceptance. So here N1 is 1.5 and N2 is 1.48 and N0 is 1. So what is Na and theta naught? We know that Na is equal to square root of N1 square minus N2 square by N0. So that is nothing but square root of 1.5 whole square minus 1.48 whole square by 1. So the simplified value of NA is 0.244. That is the value of NA. Further, we know that sin theta naught is equal to NA or theta naught. That is the cone acceptance angle theta naught is equal to sin inverse NA. That is sin inverse 0.2441. So on simplification, the value of theta naught is equal to 14.13 degrees. Thank you.